Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to add a volume profile in TradingView. Okay, so to add a volume profile you can simply click on your indicators. Then after here you can simply type volume and then profile. Okay, so after that once you click on it, here you will see many volume profiles, and then once you tap on it, now here you will see if you have a membership plan you can easily access it. Okay, and if you don't have a membership plan, so you will not be able to use these volume profile sections. Okay, but there is a hack. So you can also use this without buying a subscription. You can simply click on this icon in your left sidebar. Okay, after that here you will see the volume based, and then after you can simply select the fixed range volume profile and then star it to add in your top navigation bar. After that, once you select it, now here you can simple have a two options to select your start date and your end date. Like this, I already done it. Here you will see now my volume profile will be added here. Here you will see you can also use it multiple times in a day. Okay, like this and this. Okay, so this will edit here. Now you will face a issue that you will need to extend the chart by every hour, but here is also a hack. Once you select the chart, and then after, wait, I will again apply the volume. Yes, and now here you will see at the top here is a setting icon. Once you tap on it, here you will see the FRVP open. Here you will see the extended right feature. Now it will automatically extend it according to the hours, so you will don't need to do it manually. So here is how you can easily use the session profiles in TradingView. Goodbye.